Updating your payout destination on your Google account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and accurate. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to Payments and Subscriptions. Once logged in, locate the Payments and Subscriptions section on the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your payment settings. Step 3. Access Payout Settings. Within the Payments and Subscriptions section, look for Manage Payout Settings or Payouts. Click on this option to view your current payout destination. Step 4. Update your payout destination. Here, you will see your current payout destination. Click on the Edit or Update button to change your bank account or payment method. Follow the prompts to enter your new payout information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout destination, make sure to review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save button to update your settings. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages regarding the update. Keeping your payout information current is essential for receiving payments without delays.